relaying. Wow, that was awful. But I got it.
This Trailblazers team is only going to go 8 deep like they did against the Oklahoma City Thunder. They have no big man that can really challenge even though.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for West Central St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southeastern Tangipahoa Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tammany, Covington, Ponchatoula, Abita Springs, Madisonville, and Robert. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 55 in Louisiana between mile markers 19 and 27. Interstate 12 between mile markers 40 and 66. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: St. Tammany and Tangipahoa.
Good evening, guys. How you doing?
Hey, Charlie. Yeah, like Robert said, brings in warm weather. Usually springtime, March, April, that's some of our best weather going into early May, but it's also our severe season. So with these
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for Central St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Madisonville, or 9 miles south of Covington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without
Can't you WD 79 is off the air, by the way, so WLAC can't relay these SDRs.
Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Aviva Springs around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 12 between mile marker 64 and 71. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana.
So, our deck cam?
Keeping them out of. You can still work even if you're older, but Bruce Arians, I can see he don't want to get in the way of anything. He's just not going to fade off into the sunset unless they give him a.
Is a confirmed
National
tornado.
Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for central St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southwestern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located near Lacombe, or 11 miles southeast of Covington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Picayune around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Slidell Airport. This includes the following
We definitely have a phone in
Interstate
for
12 between mile
tornado.
markers 68 and 79. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 8 and 11. Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 9. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana, and Pearl River, Mississippi.
You good? Did WWL just go into emergency programming?
Back here on WWL, we'll get Tom Pelini to deliver the news here in a few moments. A tornado warning has been issued for late 15 tonight for St. Tammany Parish and Pearl River. So now is it affected with the twin tank going towards Slidell?
Yeah, this is that same storm. A ton of light. We were looking at one of our traffic cameras out over the Twin Span, and the lightning is just incredible. And guarantee, I mean, that exposed elevated road always has a little bit of a crosswind. But when you factor in these winds associated with this thunderstorm that's moving on right now, you've got 60-mile-an-hour winds out of the east crossing the Highway 11 twin span, eventually toward Highway 90. So those elevated roads, you're going to find these strong winds, ton of lightning, and kind of a blinding rain. Now 8 o'clock, and you're not going to be able to see much of anything within this blinding rain. So yeah, if folks listening, if you're kind of headed there, maybe pull off the road, give it another few.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Orleans Parish and southeastern Louisiana until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near New Orleans, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lake Catherine around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 250 and 264. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parish: Orleans, Louisiana.
Gee, this setup seems very familiar.
Heading to a comb right now. All right, on a text line, severe lightning strikes across the twin span towards Slidell. Had to drive center lane. We talked about that one.
Yeah.
So keep those, things are moving fast, Bobby. So, keep those texts rolling in. Call us as well. If you're in the Slidell area or the Lacombe area, and you can describe what the weather was like just 20 minutes ago compared to what it is now, call us, 504-260-1870. We're going to be here for another 5 minutes. I also just got a text from Nola Reddy. Bear with me. Let me pull it up here. Okay. Severe thunderstorm warning issued today at 8:06 until 8:45 Central Daylight Time by the National Weather Service for New Orleans. So severe thunderstorms all the way to 8:45. Severe thunderstorm warning from the National Weather Service in New Orleans till 8:45. So still got a little ways to go here before this weather passes through.
But 20 more minutes until 8:45.
The big news we're talking about sports-wise is Bruce Arians stepping down as the head coach of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers and Todd Bowles being elevated to the head coach.
Yeah, considering Bruce Arians, a couple of seasons ago, he went to the Super Bowl and they lost to the Rams in the playoffs. But hey, he's had a lot of success, and Tom Brady's a big part of that success.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a tornado warning for southeastern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight
I
Time.
thought they were going to relay the
At
FW.
17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lake Catherine, or 8 miles south of Slidell, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Burlington around 8:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waveland and Shoreline Park around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bay, St. Louis, and Kiel around 8:50 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Diamond at around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 261 and 265, and between mile markers 270 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 14. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until...
Ha! GSP head asses.
1870. All right, we'll step away and come.
Apparently something went really wrong with this.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana and southern Hancock counties. At 8:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Burlington, or 10 miles east of Slidell, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Flying debris will be inside no come without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The dangerous storm will be near Waverly and Shoreline Park around 8:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Bay St. Louis and Chill around 8:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Diamond at around 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 10 in Louisiana near mile marker 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi.
What? That was not 2 minute. Oh, okay. Well, they oh wait, they manually aborted it? That wasn't. Hold on, I need to see this. I need to see this. Bruh. So they towed an SVS as an FFW. Okay then. Shoddy. That's the only word I can describe it as. Just shoddy. That just goes to show how shoddy going for this thing is. Because one time you can get like the tones and like the beginning of the message or some of the message, but then you got another station that just completely overtakes it. I got you. No, get out of here, copyrighted music. Stop! You're gonna get this video blocked in Malaysia or something. Wow. No comments.